Tamaban MLA Kumukjam Joykisan accepts the debate by Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane on Citizenship Amendment Act does not violate Article 14. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit releases calendar highlighting works taken up under PMGSY during 2017 deals to groups not to threaten workers. And all Manipur Women's Social Reformation and Development Samaj, Nupi Samaj, observed 39th Maira Paivi Hogdokiban Mid 2019. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laitama Monica with the latest news updates. Thamaiban MLA Kumukjam Joykisan has accepted the debate by Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane on Citizenship Amendment Act does not violate Article 14. Speaking to media at his residence in Koyathong Pukri Achobomapan today, MLA Joykisan said that as an anti-CAA, he is all set for the debate at any specific time and place set by the Chief Minister. He appealed to convene an assembly session at the earliest to discuss on safety provided by inner line permit system and review rules and regulations. MLA Joykisan also opined to organize the discussion at the public domain and shares the ideas and views of the Chief Minister. He termed the acts by the government of arresting people who oppose CAA, sending protesters to jail as unfortunate and urged to cease such acts.
Article 14 की करम्बा पेरादा CAA ना Constitution दा काय दे यावी है बिसे Article 14 के पेरादा दी CAA पल्लगी इदो बुनते Article 14 के पेरादा इरिव पोतुना CAA दे पीरिबर provision नो अदुरै दा अकाय बथुल ए है बनी अदुबो मदुगी ओइ बदी बेत दी Honorable Chief Minister नसु हाइबी रबरीना तंजादु दा येना बन सुंगनी अदुना डिबेट तु तौनबा सेम सान लेचे CAA की against फोंदुगो मियोय खरा जेल दा नमजलगा मणिपुर प्रजा की अपाम पाम दा नमजन मंगम गत Mafam Kudimakta, Kendra Kudimakta, no monument Tabu Langan, Apama Numida, she Saugat Paga, she Sawataka, release and a sable. She Pambamina support Helamedana, she Pam to me a quick Wangang, Karigumba, she Pam to Mina Helamusi Langaxugan Tapio.
Speaking further at a press meet, MLA Joykisan alleged the present government of thieving people's property despite establishing anti-corruption cell. He further challenged the government of pointing out corrupted officers if the government is willing to punish them. MLA Joykisan also assured of paying befitting respect if the government will execute the rightful acts. He further questioned over the developments claimed by the government in the state. MLA Joykisan alleged the government of trying to sideline all the impoverished and undeveloped areas of the state.
Real issues in Mamai Letonapa, Praza Mamna Wariba, Manipur finance the Roman Tori Toratu, the department Mangu Pashapi to Bungam Driba, Port Chail Tambugi Mumble control to Bungam Driba, Nasing the Tabo Ingang Pibungam Driba, Masigi Ishume Amse, Natainaba, she is support away in the protest Selaga, she Yaning the Bukam with the Kana Laga, Miam Ishume Amse, Taidonaba, go and get police in every say, and it langax the star story. None issue ni ILP at Naragadi, Kadogi, she Gidu Lao CM na. CA Payena protest elice. Praza Mianga Wakalju Debato Laga. Real issue miam. Kautuki never seen Bagomingi, Haishing propaganda and have say. I know Langak the Kanjari.
Works Minister Thongam Biswajit released calendars at his quarter in Sanjentong today. The calendars highlighted works taken up under Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sarak Yojana PMGSY for the year 2017 to 2019. Speaking at the event, Works Minister Thongam Biswajit says that those 6,713 kilometers length of road was constructed under the scheme between 2000 to 2016. With the coming of the new government, 4,970 kilometers length of road was constructed under the scheme between a short span of 2017 to 2019. He expressed happiness that Manipur bagged the third place for constructing maximum road length using green technology under the scheme. Maintaining that out of the three phases of the scheme, Biswajit said that Manipur has completed the first phase 1 of the scheme and works are being taken up for second phase. He asserted that the department is putting all-out efforts to make best use of the scheme despite the department facing various inconveniences. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit appealed Sioux groups not to threaten department officials and workers during the road construction works.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯕ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯄꯣꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯪꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯦꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯕꯣꯗꯤ ꯀꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯀꯦꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯜꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯦꯁ ꯂꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯍꯤꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯃꯥꯡꯉꯛꯄ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯆꯤꯞꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯊꯦꯡꯊꯔꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯀꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯐꯪꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯗꯅ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯔꯁ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ
All Manipur Women's Social Reformation and Development Samaj, Nupi Samaj, observed the 39th Maira Paibi Hogdokhiba Numit 2019 at Khabam Maning Lekai Community Hall today. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portraits of the Maira Paibis who took immense roles in various significant issues of the state. Various women organizations and leaders of civil society organizations of the state took part in the event. Speaking at the event, President of Nupi Samaj, Thokchom Ongbi Ramani Lema, appealed to people of the state to light candles at every household or carry out torch rallies to commemorate the day where Meira Paibis agitated against implementation of Armed Forces Special Powers Act in the state.
Mamang matamda ispian pawar eki manumda icha isu maya mama hat khiba puna maksigi marum oidna mama oi bisingna mathwai du chakna maira paina mara laitaba loram ibo cha haiba mama phadna maibam lekai dagi madu army na phagi badagi mokoi ahum do ama ani amana thana dei lauthoi army na phagi ba langdaba kem dagi madu dagi munna lahoba numituna om phumai na ma da sibai mayam na maibam lekai da yomthan badagi Numitu Maira Paiba, December Tang Kungama Paje, Madu Ningjang Badigumo, Aduna, Spian Power, Ek Lotok Pio, I Baje, Sahini Push would ever allow.
Health Minister Lampolapam Jayantikumar said that he has kept aside political differences and taken various welfare activities for the public till date. He urged the people to set aside party differences and extend their support in the developmental works. He was speaking at the inauguration of a newly constructed crematorium waiting shade at Kwakithel Moirangpure Lekai today. Minister L. Jayantikumar assured to initiate efforts to repair the deplorable road condition of Kaisamthong constituency in the upcoming year 2020. Health Minister Lampolapam Jayantikumar declared Wangu Laipam Primary Health Centre as Health and Wellness Centre today. He appealed people to avail the benefits of Chief Minister Haksel Gitengbang cards. Minister Jayantikumar was speaking at a mega health camp and CMHT card as well as PMJAY enrollment camp held at the health centre. Speaking further, he assured to open a cancer testing department for women at the centre. Kumbi MLA S. Bira, Health Director K. Rajo inspected the site and 57 individuals were checked up during the camp.
Health Wellness Center na hariba ngasi officially announced this once masibu leire na haiba target ma masagi automatically ma masagi NCD gi oi ma click report NCD hasi non communicating disease aku disease hal joko adu majuda khoi na liver gi oi be cancer gi oi be am gi be hidak makal suna ayam ba masigi chuda loina ayam be mu la nengal.
Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham urged the people to cultivate their habit of cycling to enhance the economic condition of the state and for a fit and healthy society. He was speaking at the inauguration of a cycle showroom named Velo, which avails cycle and cycle parts at Changangai today. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Karam Sham termed the trend among youths of driving expensive cars as unhealthy. MLA Dr. Sapam Ranjan and MLA Olukhoi also attended the event.
Maroina Kogi Tungda Huraiba Narol Singsina, Cycle Se Tauragadi, Masamo Su Faragani, Adoga oil se Fazana Septogani, Akoi the oil resource labanati, Adona Koina Yamna Pamjana, as a minister, cycle Taujabakans, the Siki, Bello, bicycle and accessories in a ꯑꯆꯧꯕ encouragement ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯔꯦ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯦꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯨꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯥꯎꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯂꯩ
The Pakhangba Services Manipur held its 12th Foundation Day celebration at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy in DM College campus today. Speaking at the event, Kairao MLA Laurembam Rameshwar urged the people to use the native products of the state to enhance and boost the state's economy. He lauded Pakhangba Services for providing employment opportunities to the unemployed youths of the state. Maintaining that the public prefer organic produce, he urged the Pakhangba Services to take initiatives to make available various organic products in the state. He is sure to provide agricultural lands for organic farming if deemed necessary.
ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯍꯟꯅꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯈꯪꯕ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯁꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯗꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯊꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯐꯪꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯃꯛꯇ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯥ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯡꯖꯃꯩꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯀꯛꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁ ꯂꯩꯕꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯝꯅꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯈꯪꯕ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁꯅ ꯂꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯂꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯤꯖꯒꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯅꯥ ꯃꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯂꯨꯒꯨ ꯍꯋꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯌꯣꯡꯆꯥꯛꯄꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ
2 days 10 regional writers meet jointly organized by Sahitya Academy New Delhi and Naharol Sahitya Premi Samiti Imphal kicked off at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy Imphal today. Speaking at the inaugural event, West Bengal Minister and theatre personality Bratya Basu said that literature can unite people and it is high time for people to know its importance. He asserted that our country is resided by various communities who have their own language and literature. However, literature can unite all the diverse communities as it can show the similarity of emotions and ideas. Convener of Sahitya Academy, Manipuri Advisor Board, N. Kiran Kumar, officer in charge of Sahitya Academy Eastern Region, Mihir Kumar Sahu, renowned Manipuri critics H. Bihari, convener of Sahitya Academy Eastern Regional Board, Subodh Sarkar, Vice President of Naharol Sahitya Premi Samiti, Yai Mahauba, and many people attended the event. Writers of Assamese, Maithili, Uriya, Santali read out their poems in their languages during the event.
Language is not only identity. The literature, it can join and unite us from different part of our country. Literature can unite us, but the language of the emotion, the language of human chemistry, the language of mystery of our being and our living, I think in Manipur or in Assam or in Bengal or in Orissa or in Boro, everywhere is the same. Everybody has his own life. Everybody has his own being. Everybody has his own living. But the common emotion, I think, same.
Northeast Dialogue Forum, NEDF, strongly condemned the arrest of Secretary of Assam Indigenous Peoples Protection Committee, Saram Herajid, by Silchar police. NEDF, in a press release, termed the arrest of the indigenous leader fighting for the rights of the indigenous people as unfortunate. NEDF demanded authorities concerned for unconditional release of Herajid. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on 163rd birth anniversary observance of Bir Dikendrajit at Congress Bhavan, BT Road. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee held the 163rd birth anniversary observance of Bir Dikendrajit at Congress Bhavan, BT Road today. Bir Dikendrajit sacrificed his life in the freedom struggle of Manipur. A statue of Bir Dikendrajit was also inaugurated on the occasion of the 96th Foundation Day of Sebadal, which is one of the most important branches of the Indian National Congress. Inaugurating the statue, former Chief Minister cum CLP leader Ibobi said that Bir Dikendrajit is one of the unforgettable nationalist figures of Manipur, and his contributions will forever be remembered by today's generation. He added, AICC, upon asking to choose one of the freedom fighters of the state for the ceremony, the Sevadal chose Bertiken Rigid. Speaking on the occasion, MPCC President M. Okendru said that the Sevadal is one of the most important branches of the Indian National Congress, which has been taking major roles for both the state and country in various aspects. He further stressed on the importance of strengthening the strength of the Sevadal.
Manipur state poksakiba mama leibak majati gi damutada Manipur si Bharat ta tindringi gi mamang da haiba tariko Bharat ta tindringi gi mamang ningthauna sasan tauba sovereign kingdom mama weringai matam duda madugi ningkha tambudu ngakna na ba hotna bada Farsi sagai da bo no karga karimta keno tauba leitana mama leibak ki mikha po no sarpudi mama leibak si mikha po lodok sarpudi ai Farsi tauna hat ki karimta ningan na ba leitena adumai tawdar mapunsi kathokiba hero haiba tare khoi Manipur giti adun singum hero srida akhoi ikai khumnaba utpham thu I
Sevadal Manipur the issue ke the lady bawana tar sinda nam ke Sevadal party de ginate deva miyan ki khoda Sevadal issue ke nesi.
Bishnupur District SP Priyadarshini said that stringent measures are being taken up to curb drug menace in the district. She was speaking at a public meet held on intoxicant drugs and its effect, organized by Ngaikongkulen Gram Panchayat, Parimom Kannalub and United Development Club Ngaikongkulen at Ngaikongkulen Gandhi Market today. Speaking at the event, SP Priyadarshini highlighted the consequences of drugs and alcohols in the society, mentioning that the police alone cannot face the problems of drugs and intoxicants in the society. She urged public for their cooperation in the same. SP Priyadarshini said that police has taken measures to keep drug users to rehabilitation centers whenever caught.
Police khamtana sigi aikoi law and order ki crime si prevent taunana ba crime si thinana ba sigi honaba matam sida akoi police khamtana sloi mangam banateba community policing haina akoi chawraba akoi area ma lei no sida hairi basi su karino haiba sida akoi police ki activity akoi thabak thoram mayam se sida community ga punna samonaraga phajana irina chatminara kanda sagi law and order se phajana maintain tawraga leinana ba haibagi wakalon da su akoi na sigi community policing gi thabak thoram mayam am su changchin jariba.
Youth organization Kangabok, which has formed with an aim to bring changes, development and unity in Kangabok, opened its office at Kangabok Mayai Lekai today. Speaking at the inaugural event, member of Jilla Parisat Raj Mohan said that the organization was established with an aim to make youths of Kangabok Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3 responsible in making changes and development in the society. Social Standard Club Kurai Nandabam Lekai Salantong convened its general body meeting today. The club in a press release notified that Waikom Tarun Kumar was appointed as president, Salam Luwang Khomba as general secretary and Thokchom Ranabala as treasurer. PFI Manipur State organized National Scholarships Distribution Program today. The national scholarship is distributed and provided by Popular Front of India (PFI) to minorities and underprivileged students of the country for their education. The scholarships were distributed to 146 selected students of this year during the program. Rotary Club of Imphal along with Rotary International District 3240 held 2 days teachers training program exclusively for school teachers today. Around 100 teachers from various schools took part in the program held at Rotary Multi-Service Center in Manipur, Imphal. A novel titled Angobakai, translated into Manipuri language by author Salam Tomba, was released at Hindi Parishad Hall today. The book is translated from the novel The White Tiger, originally written by renowned author Aravind Adiga, who also achieved the Man Booker Prize Award in 2008. Member of Sahitya Academy, General Counsel Jodha Chandra Sanasam, Academy Award BM Maisnamba, and former President of Patriotic Writers Forum S. Tomba Luwang attended the event. A poetry book entitled Wangmada, written by Sahitya Academy awardee and renowned author Sarachan Thiam, was released today. Renowned Manipuri critic Professor Nomaithem Tombi graced the event held at the mini auditorium of Manipur Legislative Assembly Museum and Archives. The poetry book consists of altogether 59 poems. Speaking at the event, author Sarachan Thiam said that the poetry book is based on the global decline of nature.
1995 तमो कोई यहाँ ना मणिपुर की मपानदा कोई की कोलकाता दा पांगथोपा नॉर्थ लिटरेरी फेस्टिवल अमा कोई युमलेमम ताइबम सागा चलु मतुंगदा अखोई मणिपुर मणिपुरी सेरेंग मणिपुर की मरमदा मणिपुरी लैंग्वेज मणिपुरी लिटरेचर तमना तमना खंगल मतुंगदा तमना सुम आगे सेरेंग लाइरिक मयाम मथंग मथंग फोंखिबदना हौजिक्ति सेरेंग लाइरिक पुन्ना तरुक फोंखरे नसी फोंजगदोसिन अयाकी तरेत सुबा लाइरिकनि अयांना चलु बा मफम खुदिंगमक्की मरमदसु अयांना लाइरिक अममम सुम इजब
Sanamahi Pagi Sigumbalub Wangu held a consultative event on Meitei Puya titled Meitei Yakai Pung at Wangu Bazi Lehau Makong in Wangu today. Resource persons stressed on the ancient culture and traditions and various descriptions of our forefathers inscribed in Meitei Puya at the event. Ideal Youth Club, Naran Konjal Sports Club and Sunflower Club in collaboration with Youth Employment Solution Charitable Healthcare and Research Center held a free medical camp at Ideal Youth Club in Naran Konjal, Mamanglekai today. Around 600 people of the area were checked up and free medications were also provided at the camp. ABV Hospital along with Trauma Center Chingaril organized one-day neuro and mental health medical camp today. Speaking at the camp, Doctor of ABV Hospital, Dr. N. Krishoda, said that the camp was organized owing to increasing number of mental illness among the people. He appealed to people not to hide mental-related ailments.
Mi mamsi tension wang narakba diga khoi laibagi style si hongakba adagi climatic change la pasna masade adapt taunana ba sahanana bani haidana masada tension mayam ama puoga nataba haitare akhoi ya chunadaba henjana chinjak chaba singma mayam da si problem mayam se thorakpa adun psychiatric problem si maruina sum handle lakpasida akoina masida is the importance piraga handaki chaisi oina tabjamani.
Assam Rifles team seized 9 truckloads of pine wood worth around 10 lakh rupees, which were being illegally transported from Fungyar and Nungsang in Ukhrul district. The team detained the 9 vehicles at Finch Corners vehicle checkpost. The drivers of the 9 vehicles, along with the illegal consignment, have been handed over to Forest Beat office at Finch Corner for further legal actions. AK Pisak and AK Ongbi Indumukhi Devi Football Academy Mongsangai Makhalekai observed the 2nd death anniversary of AK Ongbi Indumukhi at the complex of the academy today. DGP LM Kaute and his spouse, Planning Department ARO Mimi Kaute, attended the event. Staffs were also presented gifts to the senior citizens of the area on the occasion. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Hamay Benamalage Kumukcham Joykisan accepts the debate by Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane on Citizenship Amendment Act does not violate Article 14. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit releases calendar highlighting works taken up under PMGSY during 2017-19. Appeals to groups not to threaten workers. And All Manipur Women's Social Reformation and Development Samaj, Nupi Samaj, observed 39th Mairapai Hogdoki Benumit 2019.